Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to go to my SmugMug site and download your mini session pictures. So you can just type in kellysummersphotography.com up here in the address bar, or you can just type Kelly Summers Photography in the Google bar. I already have a shortcut. Take you right to it. Alright, so you're going to scroll down where it says mini sessions over here in the corner. Remove this, adjust this a little bit. Here we go. Okay, so this is 2018, the Christmas ones. And it will list all my indoor and outdoor sessions. So we'll just click here in the corner. We'll use the Bonds family as an example. This will take you right to your own gallery. Okay. Alright, so if you notice in the top corner, or top right hand corner, beside the Buy Photos, there's this download. You can download the whole entire album. Click on that. This says, your photos are being packaged up especially for you. Your download is being created and will keep being prepared even if you navigate away from this page. We'll email you once your files are ready. So if I click done, then every single file will actually come as a zip file, and if I go in and check my email, they'll be in there as a zip file. But if you don't have time to download the whole entire album, you just want to download like 3 or 4 to make Christmas cards, we'll just click on another random picture over here, a smaller picture. Alright, and so this picture came up. So if you just want to download one photo only, down here in the corner, there's a down arrow. It says download. Click on that, and it will automatically, it should anyway. Oops, there. So it'll automatically pull up your pictures folder. This is on my laptop anyway. So if you can go up here and make a new folder if you want that says, you know, mini session photos, or even if you just want to save it to your regular my pictures. Alright, I got cut off somehow. Anyway, we clicked on the big picture in SmugMug that we want to save, and it's saving it to my pictures folder. So then you just come over here and you click, oops, I don't know if you can see it, click save, and you'll see down here in the corner it's downloading. Okay, and so what I like to do is okay, so it's image 3040. Oops. And so we'll go back to my pictures. And it should be in here somewhere. Yep, right there. Image 3040. So then that way, if you're on SmugMug or Shutterfly or one of those places where you make your own Christmas cards, you already have the files saved. You don't need to wait for a jump drive from me. But if you still want a jump drive, please let me know. Okay, so if earlier you used the download button that was above the top where you downloaded the whole album, I already opened up my email, and I kind of wanted to show you where it says SmugMug digital files, your photos are ready to download. So you click on that, and it says your photos are ready to download. We've packaged up your photos all nice and cozy for you to download. So you go ahead and click on this zip file. Okay, and it shows up here. So you can go ahead and just save it as that. Or if you want to make a new folder that says, you know, whatever, mini session. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to save it. So I'm going to delete my new folder. But I am just going to save this zip file. I'm going to save it to my pictures file. So I hit save. Oh, and down here in the corner, it's downloading the whole album. And it says it will take like 20 minutes for this album to download. But in the meantime, I do have another zip file in my pictures folder down here. Oh, right here. This is an album right here. Click on it. Right, and then it lists all the image files that are in your gallery. Okay, and then up here it'll say extract all files. So you click on that, and it's going to ask you where to save them or where to extract them to. I just always extract them to the same folder where you found them. So you hit extract, and it takes I don't even know what album this is, but when you get the album on your download, you'll know what it is and you'll know where to save it. So once it's done downloading, you have access to all the JPEG files. And you can use them just like if you were to take your jump drive and copy and paste them. So as you can see, it's going to take a few minutes for that zip file to download. Now if you're doing this on a mobile device, I don't know, it's probably different for Apple and you know, just a PC. So I have both. And usually when you pull up something on your phone, you can just download a single image at a time. Or if you want to download the whole album, I'm not sure how you do that on your mobile device. But sometimes it's just easier to do it on the laptop, and then if you, oh, these are like newborn pictures from a while ago. So anyway, your files will do that. They'll look just like, you know, they'll be all nice and neat. And then if you want to copy these onto your own jump drive, or, you know, something you can take if you want to take it to Sam's Club or Walmart or someplace like that, it's just an easier way, a faster way to get the photos from me instead of waiting for me to mail you a jump drive. All right, so I'm going to exit out of here and exit out of here. Oh, it says my download failed over here in the corner. Not sure why. Sometimes it does that when it's a big file and then I end up clicking other places. But it should work for you. If you have any questions, you can always ask me if it doesn't work. I can always just do this for your particular album and then forward this type of an email to you if you don't know how to do the steps before that. Alright, like I said, if you just want to download them right from the SmugMug site, that's fine. If you still want a hard copy and you want a jump drive and you don't want to mess with this, then let me know and I will get one out to you. If you have any questions, let me know.